non-planar points. This is called non-planar points. Okay, so okay. Yeah, because the this square is actually a little bit lifted by some. Okay, it got moved away, so now it is not a coplanar points. It is a non-coplanar points because it is not parallel. Might be same flat surface, something like that. Okay, why this breaks? Okay, so the square needs of 4 points, but the GPU for a flat surface, and the flat surface requires a coplanar points. Yeah, with the 4 points, GPU can not guarantee flatness. GPU would need to decide how to split them. What? Example splits. Oh my god. Why is actually bugging here? Oh my god. Uh, which one is right? There is no correct answer. Measurable quiz. We don't guess. Mm, okay. Triangle gives 3 points. Okay. And we already proved 3 points always flat. Okay, so I think it can. So the triangle cannot be coplanar. That is what the ChatGPT is actually telling that. I think so. Always one space. Okay, no problem. Let so the GPU rules is only accept this. So guaranteed to be a flat. That shape is okay. So it is, so let's just confirm for the confirmation. Okay, so for the confirmation, so the triangles or cannot be I mean cannot be non coplanar, and the triangle is always be flat, and it is a coplanar in any kind of situation, because it can be tilted or it can be recycled. Even if it will remains as a coplanar, right? I think it is already. So okay, so the final login, these 3 points are always form one flat surface. Okay, the 4 points might not be. Okay, so GP only render flat surface. Yes. Therefore, GP only accept triangles. Okay. Okay. That is the reason why the GPU is only accept the triangle. Okay. So the fourth one, okay, it is actually telling the same thing. Plain and test. Okay. Yeah. So the one sentence. To, so now I okay. Let me explain that. Okay, so I think we might use a so I start. Okay, so that is okay. I can't increase the density of that. Okay, no, I mean we can. Okay, so a little bit like that. So just for the explanation. Okay, so uh, does it kind of change because of the way? Mm, so there is some. It is not that it perfect, but okay, it is not the perfect. Okay, so let me let me change that a little bit. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Sorry. Mm, okay, so this is perfect. So, and then if we change the point of our, so it is the normal, and if a GPU wants to um, change, or if it is the equation is actually change, it would be if any some, so in some case if the point any of in any one of these point is changed, you will see what will happen. Okay, so if the point from here to here is changed, it is actually changed because of some disturbance. Okay, for example, okay, so now it is not a square, and no one will call this shape as a square anymore because it is not even space even size of size of that. So it is not a square. The people won't call this as a square because it is not square. It is not equal size of for the for every side. The square is always has a equal side of for the every side, but it is not these two looks different and these two looks completely different. So it is not square anymore. And it goes for the any shape, for example a triangle, and then circle doesn't the circle doesn't even have a side, so it won't become. So rhombus or pentagon, something like that, it won't come. If the one single point is gone, the total shape of that uh, would be different. Okay, so that's why, sorry, I deleted the wrong one. Okay, so it is okay, it is what it is. So it is an it is how the square is designed. So for the triangle, let me explain that. So it is a triangle. Okay, so it is a triangle. So if because of something, uh, okay, because of something the point is actually changing to the different location. Okay, like we did in a square. Okay, so it is actually going from here to here. Okay, for example, okay, so it is going from here to there. It would still, it is called as a triangle because even after the shape is actually changed, but it is still called as a triangle because it is how it is designed, because it has the three edges, vertices, and even if it is go anywhere, it would be the triangle as a general as a triangle. It is not a right angle triangle. Don't go too deep about that, but you guys might say it is a acute angle, right angle triangle like that. So we are not talking about that. We are generally talking about is a triangle or not. So even if the point go anywhere, even if the point go anywhere, let me show you that. Oh my god, the total point is actually go. Even if the point go anywhere, it will remain same. If the point is go here, for example, so let's go here. It would be the triangle, but it is not a I don't know what the name it is called for the particular triangle name, but as a general, it is triangle. If the point is go anywhere, it even if it is go anywhere or any direction it goes, it would be a triangle. So that is why the GPU consider the triangle always for the 2D. So I don't know about the 3D, but generally GPD is considered a triangle for 2D, but I don't know for 3D. It might be considered triangle. Even for the 3D, might be, I don't know. Triangles, circles, tiny triangles, curves, any tiny triangle, expectations. Okay, I think it is even including for the 3D, but I think it is a 2D, only 2D or 3D, I don't know. Might be in a 2D, might be in a 3D, I don't know. Let's see about that. So one sentence, okay. We use a triangle for square because the only GPU understand the triangles and the square is just two triangle. So okay. So like this, so it is actually important to understand. It is a 45-degree and it is a 45 and it is a perpendicular, so it is a 90-degree and it is a 90-degree and again it is a 45 and 45. Okay, this actually looks simple. It is what it is, so let's go. mm, yeah, we actually came here. This is an important thing. So unsigned, okay, so in unsigned, this is the index list. Okay, it tells OpenGL which vectors is to use. It tells the OpenGL which vectors to use. Okay, it refers to the vertex array person. Okay, wait a minute. So, oh yeah. Okay, now I got. Mm, 0, 1, 3, and then again 1, 2, 3. What? 0 means top right, 1 means top left, then top, and then 3 means top left, and then 1 means bottom right, and then 2 means bottom left. Okay, so how the triangles are formed? OpenGL is numbers at a time. Okay, 0, 1, 3. Okay, 2, 3. So the triangle is same vectors used. So okay, I don't know why it is actually exactly taking that. Wait a minute. So zero, zero, zero. So okay. Now I understand that. So it is actually separating the two triangle into the three numbers because yeah, because So 0 is a bottom right. Okay, it will be come here. Okay, let me. Okay, I think visual understanding will be more understandable, and I always appreciate the visual understanding more than theory understanding. Okay, so where is it? Okay, it is here. Okay, so okay, it is not showing in any color. Okay, this bad. Okay, now it's showing. Okay, so now, so it is a 0. The first triangle, first point is a 0. So where is a right, top right? Okay, so it is like here. Okay, for example. Okay, now, so now it is a 1. So 1 is a bottom right. Bottom right will be here. Okay, guys, just uh listen to this carefully. Now again, so again is a 3. So 3 will be a bottom left. So bottom left will be here something. Okay, somewhere. Okay, I'm not sure where exactly, but I'm just drawing that. Okay, so now where is it? Okay, again the triangle 2 will be one. Where is the one? Top right, bottom right. Oh, wait a minute. So one is a bottom right, one is a, okay, bottom right will be here. Okay, again. Okay, you will understand why at the last when we drew that. Okay, so just don't confuse yourself. So and again over here is a 2 over here, because the bottom left it is already here. So we are going to okay, maybe for the maybe for the understanding, I using a different color. So now first point is a 1 is a bottom right, so we are using a yellow over here. And then again it is a 2, because we are using a, okay, again using. So and then where is it? So 3 is a top left. So top left will be here. Okay, wait a minute, so I just got confused. Top right over here. Okay, top uh bottom left right over here. So I actually messed up, so sorry, my, okay, sorry, my fault. Okay, okay, not a big mistake, but I didn't notice that perfectly. My fault. I did say is a Lord, can you come over here, man? I can edit. Okay. Oh, okay, my fault, I didn't notice that. Okay, so it is actually not okay, it is yellow, and then the black one will comes here. Okay, okay, so now it is perfect. So this 3 actually has here. Okay, so now we are going to draw a line. So where is it? Okay, line is not showing. What the heck? Okay, it will be here. So it is a yellow. For first we are drawing, we have to draw for the triangle one. For the triangle one we are using black, and it is how it is. So okay, then again, um, okay, then again, okay, oh yeah, okay, so this is a triangle one. Okay, so for the, okay guys, just Why it is so hard? Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, this is okay. So now this is a triangle one. Okay, so now we're into the triangle two. Okay, now it is, and we're going to present the. Okay, so it is actually not perfect, but okay, something like this. Okay, so yeah, I hope it is quite understandable. Okay, so now it is how the thing is actually would be. Okay, so let's write that. It is actually really hard to write in the mouse. Really hard. My hand hurts like a switch. Okay, so this is a triangle 2 and this is a triangle 1. That is okay, it is what it is. So how so this is how we are going to tell the GPU to locate the triangle for the perfect square. Okay, so for it, maybe we can ask a ChatGPT. So if you guys have a doubt that I'm not right or something like that, let me show you that. Okay, oh my god, it is just to go. Just to go. I've taken the screenshot. Now it will tell, ChatGPT will tell by itself. Okay, so okay, so now yeah, I know, man. I just drew that for the example. Okay, so okay, so let's go back here. Then why not just repeat vectors without any fix? Okay, within the you define four vectors as ones. You reuse them using your indexes, the less memory, first and cut. What? I have no idea what they are talking about, so so IDs handles for GP object. VBO is a vectors buffer object stores data. EBO is element buffer object stores the index. EM is a vector array and shows the configurations. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. What is this? What is this? Index for that. Just do the first. So okay, I saw that. So yeah, here it is. So GL Gen Vector Array. Okay. What this does asking to create a one. Okay. Return is ID now. Okay. What is it? How the index. Okay. So the number. Right. So the ID means is index. Okay. So the how the vectors and indexes are connected. So you don't have to figure every frame. Okay. So GLGen buffer. So before we see is a GLGen vector array. So it is a GLGen buffer. Okay. Here are the two. One for VBO and EBO. VBO, EBO, BAO. EBO, VBO, EAO. Okay, so what does it create the GPU memory buffer on for vectors data, one for index data. All right, so okay, so this one is actually creating a vectors data memory, GPU memory in a buffer. Okay, and this one is actually creating a space for the index data for who for GPU memory buffer. Okay, for the GPU memory buffer. Okay, so okay, these line don't put time. Okay, they only created empty buffers. Okay, yeah, okay. The final flow VBO stores the vectors position and the EBO stores the index orders and VAO remembers how to use. The indexes tells a OpenGL how to form a triangle. Okay, so it is like the main point for making the square possible. You know, it is what it is. It is what it is. We can't change anything. Okay, so yeah. So the indexes just OpenGL which accesses to reuse form of triangle on VAO, B sorry VBO and EBO or GP object that stores and remembers this data. Yes, it is. Oh, I can explain why the EBO must be bounded while VAO is active. Or explained. No. So okay, so now I got that. Okay, so if I ever get stuck on universe, so I'll let you know GPT. So we use this to form a triangle, and that one that I mean that this line of code and this line of code is actually um, it actually stores the value for the vectors and the first line is shows the vectors values. No. The second one is actually shows the vectors value, and the third one is actually stores index values, and then first one is actually use those both value in a proper way, something like that. They actually say something like that. Okay, so let's go.